Today, we will be exploring the first law of thermodynamics using the energy balanced equation. Energy equals heat minus work. So today, what we'll need for this experiment are two balloons. One, blown up, just filled with room temperature air, and then another one, also filled with room temperature air, as well as water. It's a little hard to see, but it's there, I promise. And using our let's celebrate balloons, as well as a candle, and towels in case for any excess water as it explodes. So for our first balloon that we'll be exploring, this balloon, since it's filled with air, I expect for what to happen is as I hold it over the candle, heat is emitted from the candle and will begin to heat up the air inside of the balloon. As the air heats up, it will expand, doing boundary work on the balloon. This will continue until the balloon explodes. Let's see what happens. As you can see, the balloon exploded, which shows that the air was heated up and expanded inside the balloon. Next, we're going to see what happens with the balloon filled with also room temperature air and water. What I expect to happen is we're going to relight our candle. As the balloon is held over the candle, the water in the balloon near the bottom of the water reservoir will heat up, and as the heated water will then move to the top, and the colder, denser water will flow to the bottom of the balloon and also be heated up as well. What this will do is create a cycle of convection, and that is where the energy will go. Instead of being boundary work, it will be that process of heat. So let's see what happens. This balloon will take a lot longer to explode, so it's going to be held in place longer than the first balloon was, and we'll see what the temperature is of the balloon surface afterwards. So that was approximately the same amount of time. As you can see, the balloon did not explode, but if you touch the bottom of the balloon, it is warm, which means that the cycle of convection did happen. So what this shows is that for the first law of thermodynamics, in an isolated closed system like these balloons, the same amount of energy was maintained within the system, but in different forms. In the first balloon, you had boundary work, where in this one, you had the heat transfer through convection. Thank you so much for watching my video.